Hello all, welcome back to my Gurukul. Happy Republic Day. We had a small celebration today while children were playing in the evening. What interesting facts, two interesting facts probably, which I have not known all these years, is hockey is actually not declared as the national sport by the government. So we all assume that hockey is the national sport because we had won a lot of gold medals in the Olympics, but the government has not or till date has not declared any sport as the national sport. However, majority of our textbooks or majority of us still feel that hockey is the national sport. So this was an interesting fact which I realized or I came to know today while we had a small celebration. The other one is on Independence Day, that is on August 15th, Indian Independence Day. I'm an Indian, so August 15th, when we hoist the flag is moved from the bottom of the pole to the top of the pole, and then the flag opens up. That's hoisting of the flag. Whereas on January 26th, Indian Republic Day, the flag is not hoisted, but it is unfurled. So this is the difference, meaning on January 26th the flag is already rolled up on top of the pole. It just opens up on top of the pole, so it doesn't move from the bottom of the pole to top of the pole and unfurl, but it's already there and it just unfurls. So this is the difference between hoisting of the flag on August 15th, Independence Day, Indian Independence Day, and of the national flag on January 26th, Indian Republic Day. Right? So what we did today with the children during the playtime is I had written down the national emblems in a chit in a sheet of a paper and folded them, that is into chits. So one child got as Ganges or the national river, one child got it as the national tree, one child got it as the national emblem, then national flag, national bird, national fruit, and so on and so forth. So this is after which the children were given 2 days time. All they had to do is just come forward and hold a placard or a show and tell. So for example, if it is pumpkin, so just hold the pumpkin and talk 5 sentences about it. So a placard of tiger, national animal, so a placard of the tiger was held and 5 sentences was told, and hence children actually got to know the national emblems and the national symbols, the Indian national emblems and Indian national symbols. So this is what the children learned today. Without going to school, at least they are knowing a little bit of their own country. Yeah, we had a very young participant who is just 9 months old. Her name is Mishti. So we did not know what to do. So we made her sit on a push cycle in the middle, and we made a circle around her and said Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Alright, so this is all. A very happy Republic Day to each and every one of you. Of course, it is too late because the wishes has to be in the morning, but still we celebrated it in the evening, and here's the video for you all. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click on the all notification icon or the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.
1,150 I have to give.
Or Gayatri. Ready? Can we make the circle small? Don't go touch. Mishti, don't go touch Mishti. Can we make the circle big? Yes. Can we make the circle move? Move. Can we make the circle move? Yes. Now we will tell Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Okay? Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Yes. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
That's okay. Can you turn around a play card and see what you have forgotten?
And there are dolphins in every bag, dolphins, snakes, and some lot of fishes and rivers. Thank you.